Okay, this is my air gun. I use this for catching fish. This is custom made. I made it myself. Um, for those who are asking about how we use our air gun in fishing, it's quite simple actually. Um, first first you have to show you the fish dart. This is the fish dart. It works like you have to put it on the barrel like this. You have to put it inside. You have to push it on. You have to push it all the way down here. You have to have a long stick to push it down. And make sure your line is securely wrapped around the PVC pipe, just ordinary PVC pipe. We just wrap around the fishing line around the PVC pipe like so, and have to make sure it's firmly wrapped around the PVC pipe. I mean the fishing line. Make sure the fishing line is wrapped around the PVC pipe firmly so it will not loosen when you take a shot. Like so. Okay, if you can see the fishing line, it's firmly in place. So it is like that. It's very simple actually. This is the dispenser. You can see this in every. Then you're good to go. But don't worry, I'll show you a video that showing how to use the air gun in fishing. Tomorrow I will go shoot fish or hunt fish tomorrow. Again, this is the fishing line. Just roll it on the PVC and it'll look like this. Yeah. For those who are asking how we make this fish dart, you can make this just ordinary material like some nails. Number 3 inch nails. It would work. This is just stainless steel. I like to use stainless steel, but 3-inch nail will do. Common nail.